It is 6,746 meters high. So basically, I'm an amateur mountaineer. I have been trekking for the past 7 to 8 years now, and slowly I have kind of reached a level where every year I have increased the height and gone higher and higher. So this was my final attempt, which was a successful summit. So basically I started mountaineering as I come from Goa, which is at sea level, and we have our beaches. So I was really fascinated with the mountains. So anywhere for holidays, I would prefer the mountains. So this year, I mean, now also, like when I go into the mountains, it's a different feeling. I'm really comfortable there. I love the cold weather. Of course, it's too cold there, but with the jackets and the protection, I can climb, which is not actually technical, but more of trekkable peaks right now. But first, you are just mesmerized with the views. You are just taking in all the surrounding. This time I could see the Everest, the Makalu, then Varunse, or many 8,000ers, and it's like the abode of gods there. You're among them, and then it actually sinks in that you have actually reached that height and kind of achieved it. Especially at home, I have 2 kids, and unless you have backup at home, you can't go higher, or you can't leave everything behind and go after something. So he has been my backbone and my push throughout. So I would not ask for anything else. So he is there. Of course, my other family members, my mom, dad, they also have supported me in all other, even my kids, they have also been positive.